It's no secret that medicine and healthcare has advanced greatly over the years. Even over-the-counter medicine today is considered much better than what was considered the best treatment over a decade ago. So one may ask, how did we advance so much in medicine and healthcare? Well, while technology did evolve over the years, and that certainly did help, one of the main reasons why medicine is so advanced today is through animal testing. However, many animal rights activists believe that animal testing is inhumane and should be made illegal. Today, I'm going to talk to you about why we use animals for medical tests and experiments, some of the fake rumors surrounding animal testing and experimenting, and what would happen if we didn't use animals in medical tests and experiments. So why are animals used in medical tests and experiments? The use of animals in medical tests and experiments is not a new concept at all. In a journal written by Rachel Hajar in 2011 titled Animal Testing and Medicine, it lists some brilliant minds of the past that used animal testing to further their research. Famous Greek physician Galen used animal research to advance the common understanding of anatomy, physiology, pathology, and pharmacology. 12th century Arab physician Ibn Zur used animal testing to understand surgical procedures better before performing them on humans. Although these two great minds used animal testing to find out knowledge that we would see as pretty common today, there is still reason to use animal testing in today's modern day and age. A page on the Stanford Medicine website published in 2020 titled Why Animal Research gives some great reasons why we would still use animals in tests today. Mice are commonly used in medical tests and experiments because they share 98% of the same DNA as humans. Animals are also great altogether for testing and experimenting because they can develop things such as cancer and heart disease, similarly to humans. Despite these reasons, there are still some people who believe that animal testing and experimenting should be gotten rid of altogether. Animal rights activists believe that tests and experiments on animals for research purposes should be made illegal for a variety of reasons. However, many of these reasons are false. In a 2014 BBC News video titled BBC has given access to Oxford Lab experiments on monkeys, it is stated that monkeys in the Oxford lab are not involved in harmful experiments, but are instead involved in decision-making experiments. Many animal rights activists believe that animals are subjected to cruel punishments in cruel experiments. However, some animals are put through decision-making experiments that do not affect them at all, in negative ways. Another reason, a 2009 article written by Doris Lynn on the ThoughtCo website, titled Animal Rights and Ethics of Testing, brings to attention the Animal Welfare Act. Many animal rights activists believe that animals are kept in terrible conditions while being tested on. However, the Animal Welfare Act, signed by President Lyndon B. Johnson in 1966, sets standards of care for test animals, and if researchers are to go below these cares, it is considered illegal. Another thing that animal rights activists say is that there's no effort being put in to find other ways of research that don't involve animals. However, this is also false. In a book written by Stephanie Watson, published in 2009 titled Animal Testing Issues and Ethics, it is stated that scientists actively try to avoid using animals in their experiments and are constantly trying to develop new ways to experiment without using animals. So there are methods being developed to try to not use animals in medical testing, but until those are found, animals play a crucial role in medical testing, and the results of not using animals in medical testing have proven catastrophic in the past. In a journal written by Rachel Hajar in 2011 titled Animal Testing Medicine, it also lists some horrible events that have happened as a result of a lack of animal testing. In 1937, elixir sulfonamide was created. This medicine was extremely poisonous to humans, but was not tested on animals. This medicine was then marketed and sent out to people. It ended up killing over 100 people in a mass poisoning, which led to the passing of the 1938 Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, which required all medicine to be tested on animals before being shipped out and marketed to people. In the early 1960s, thalidomide was created as a painkiller. It helped things like insomnia, headaches, and colds. Many pregnant women took it to relieve morning sickness. However, this medicine was also not tested on animals. This resulted in over 10,000 children being born with malformations and missing limbs. So, Let's bring it all together. The purpose of the world of medicine and health is always to keep people healthy and alive. Animals help make that goal possible. Without them, medicine that we use today to keep us alive would not be around, which means me and you would not be here today. Understand that animals are necessary in order to make sure that we stay alive today.